He looks like he knows what he's doing already.
This guy knows, man. Yo, that's
Shoot.
That video?
Yeah. How's life, man?
It's good out here, man. FOREX lifestyle, FX guru, buy the course, buy the signals, buy the bundle.
Where's your Lambo at?
This is my Lambo. This is my Huracan scooter. You know, 1K, something like.
Yo, what's the outfit for the pod? Fit check.
Pod, omakase, casino fit, all in one. You know, Zara.
What you got on?
Zara.
Okay.
$30.
Hey, yo, how much shirt? How much is the shirt?
Zara. $30.
Okay. How much the shoes?
Cole Haan.
Going on. Okay.
$60.
$60. Okay. How much the chain? Let's see the chain.
Italy.
Okay, Italy.
Gift from the wifey.
Okay. Glasses.
Blue light, William Painter.
Okay. Cartier.
150.
Okay. Earrings, diamond.
TJ Maxx.
Let's go.
$20.
$20.
That's it.
On our way to the pod. Behind the scenes.
Made the coffee.
They wanna know if he can rap and tell them really. Tell my bitches call me cause I done finally got a million. Let's go. You know how bitches like to act when they get pretty. Like the
Yo. What's going on?
There you go.
The Nelson challenge.
no time. Yo, dude, it's your turn.
Yeah, that's all you.
Your turn, yo.
That's all you.
That's a ginger, yo.
How do you feel about your first try?
I was sick. Like, you know, it's getting warmed up.
Oh.
But next one, it's about to go like, you see those trees down there? It's about to go past those trees.
Hold it like that. Stand further back.
He pulled his pants up so high.
You're moving like young bro.
Is that recording?
No,
How do you make it record?
I don't know. Don needs a mentor. Don needs a golf mentor.
Guess this is kung fu.
It's good.
Oh! That was a new one, still. That was a new one.
How was your golf experience?
It was alright. Kind of harder than I expected. I don't know what to say, babe. It's caught me off guard.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
What is it?
Awesome onion. This will basically get you fat, but skinny at the same time. No, I can't tell. We got a winner here?
Alright, yo, so currently 3, almost 4 a.m. here. In some positions, some of you guys asked if I sleep, and sometimes. Tonight, definitely not. Algebra day, got a stream in about 2.5 hours. I don't know what we're doing today. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I want to buy a scooter because I went to Vancouver, got an electric scooter.
Josh, no, following you.
And, I mean, I've been Ubering to my girl's house a lot. She lives like 7 minutes away from me, right? But I've been too lazy to walk, or, you know, I've just been Ubering. But I might get a scooter, or I might head to the Balenciaga store today and buy a hat. I don't know. I gotta see. I might go do some shopping. I'll let you guys know what I do.
Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some.
That's today's outfit. I'm going for dinner, so just some light. Dusty cardigan, I think it was around $100. Van Cleef necklace, I think it was $3K. Regular white tee under. Balenciaga cargos, $2K. Bottega kicks, I think this is around $1K, so that's the outfit. You have a perm? I want a perm. Where'd you go?
My neighbor.
Your neighbor?